Assalamualaikum, my name is Daniel Hakim. Today we are going to present about indoor park ticketing system. This is our group members, Ahmad Muizzuddin, Muhammad Aiman, Muhammad Hakimi and me, Daniel Hakim. Our indoor park called Jurassic Park. This is our introduction. In the dynamic world of indoor entertainment, Jurassic Park recognized the need for a robust and efficient system to manage ticket sales, track customer information, and analyze business performance. With this in mind, the implementation of the provided code has become an essential asset for Jurassic Park. This code addresses the organization's requirement for automated ticket tracking, streamlined calculation of ticket totals, and comprehensive customer information. By integrating this code into their system, Jurassic Park gains the tools to optimize the operation, enhance financial analysis, and deliver personalized experience to their valued guests. Next is the problem statements. The first one is lack of ticket tracking. Jurassic Park did not have a systematic way to track and analyze the type of ticket purchased by customer. This made it difficult to understand the demand for different ticket types and plan accordingly. Next is manual calculation of ticket totals. Jurassic Park had to manually calculate the total number of tickets sold and the corresponding revenue generated for each ticket type. This process was time-consuming, error-prone, and prone to inconsistent. That's why we need the code. Next is incomplete ticket information. Jurassic Park did not have a comprehensive record of customer information. This lack of information hindered their ability to personalize the customer experience and make informed decisions. Objective. The first one is automate ticket tracking. The code introduces a system to write ticket information from a file and store it in an organized manner. This automated the process of tracking ticket types and quantities purchased by customer. The second one is automated calculation of ticket totals. The code implemented calculation to determine the total number of tickets sold and the corresponding revenue for each ticket type. This eliminated the need for manual calculation and provide accurate and consistent result. The last one is enhanced ticket information. The code included additional field for customer age type and local usage. Next, I will pass to Muhammad Muiz.
This is our overview on our flowchart, and in my explanation, I will divide it to diagram 1 and diagram 2. Our presentation today revolves around the program Jurassic Park Ticket Manager. Let's start with the overview of the program functionality. This program contains 1 instructs, 4 functions including the main, 1 input file and 1 output file. The program reads ticket information from a file, calculates the total price and generates a summary in an output file. Here's a flowchart representation of the program flow. As you can see, it consists of 4 main steps. Step 1. The reading ticket information. The program begins by reading the ticket information from a file named ticket.txt. This file contains the detail about the types of tickets and their respective counts. Step 2. Calculating total price. Next, the program calculates the total price for each ticket type and the total price for locals. These calculations are based on predefined price and the ticket counts obtained from the file. Step 3. Generating summary. Once the calculations are complete, the program generates a summary of the ticket sales. It includes the details such as the ticket types, counts, individual price, and the total price. Step 4. Displaying the information. Finally, the program displays the ticket and the local rental information in the output file. This allows users to view the summary and track the sales effectively. This is our source code of the program. This is our printed input file. For the first case, the number of tickets for adult is 35 tickets, 80 tickets for children, and lastly 9 senior tickets. And the locals to rent is 8. For our second case, there is 30 tickets for adult, 18 tickets for children, 20 tickets for senior, and 10 locals to be rent. This is our expected screen. The receipt has been generated and saved into output.txt. This is a successful case. In case there are an error in reading the file, it will create an error message here. This is our printed output file. It will show the ticket detail and local detail, and in our both case, the grand total is 830 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Ramli, and today I want to present about the use of file input-output, struct, array and function. For file input-output, the code use file input-output operation to read ticket information from a file and write a ticket summary and information to an output file, which is output.txt. For struct, the code define a record structure called ticket using a struct. Each ticket record represent a specific type of ticket and its corresponding counting. For the third is array. The code use an array called ticket to store multiple ticket record. It is declared as an array of ticket struct with a fixed maximum size. Lastly, a function. The code defines several functions such as read ticket from file and display ticket to perform specific tasks. Each function serves a distinct purpose, such as reading ticket information from a file, calculating ticket total, and promoting code organization and clarity. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman, and for today I will be explaining and demonstrating our program here. So starting off, we'll jump to line 9. Here, as you can see here, there is a struct declaration here named ticket. This struct stores information such as type of ticket and the corresponding count or quantity of the ticket. And right here is a declaration of an array named tickets of the type ticket. This array is used to store instances of the ticket struct. And if we see here in line 18, you can see that there is a function here named read tickets from file. Its task is to read tickets and information from a file and populates the tickets array with that information. Jumping to line 51 here, it calculates the ticket totals, display a ticket summary, and write the summary to an output file. Meanwhile here, for void display tickets, this outputs the type and total number of tickets brought. And lastly, in line 104, this represents the main function, in which it calls the function read tickets from file. It also opens the output text file to write and send message if it fails. It also calls two other functions here, both of which passes the output file as the argument. Now I will move on to the demonstration of the program. Alright, so now as you can see on the screen, to the left is the program itself, and to the right I have a folder open. In the folder, it contains the source code for the program and the file to be input into this program. So let's take a look at how the input file would look like. In this file, you can see there are the three types of ticket and the number of lockers that I would want to rent. So you can just adjust the value as needed. So maybe let's try, we'll bring along 3 children and buy 2 tickets for seniors, and the number of lockers we'll just save as it is. And now we'll save the file, and then we can close it. So now back to the program, we can just run it, and out a console which says the receipt has been generated and saved into output.txt. Alright, now back to the folder, you can see a new file has appeared, which is output. And in the output, the summary has been generated. It tells the tickets we've bought and the grand total, including the total price for the locker. So that is how the program works. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, the implemented project code for Jurassic Park efficiently automates ticket tracking, streamlines calculation, and enhances customer information management. By leveraging file input-output, struct, array, and function, the code optimizes ticket management, finance, analysis, and customer engagement. This enables the Jurassic Park to track ticket sales accurately, calculate revenue effortlessly, and provide personalized experience based on comprehensive customer information. The code, modular design, and efficient data handling contribute to streamline operation, improve decision making, and enhance customer satisfaction within Jurassic Park. Thank you.